In Malaysia, the majority of water resources are obtained from surface water sources as a river and reservoir, accounting for over 98% of the current water usage. However, only the small fraction of the water used, around 2%, is derived from groundwater resources. Water management. A good water management system should consider factors such as water quality, quantity, and accessibility, as well as the economic, social, and environmental impact of water use. It should also incorporate new technologies and approaches to improve efficiencies, such as integrate water resource management and smart water management. Location. The location of our study is Taman Bahagia Air Hitam. We choose this house estate because it fulfills the characteristics that have been set in the project explanation video. Objective. The objective of this project is determine the size of the needed water tank for the residential area at Taman Bahagia Air Hitam, Johor. Second, determining the size of sewer pipe and design of a sewerage system for a residential area in Taman Bahagia Air Hitam, Johor. Third, determine the stormwater management for a residential area in Taman Bahagia Air Hitam, Johor.
Okay, next is chapter 4. My name is Siti Nursyuhada binti Sardan. I will explain about water reticulation system. For our location, we have 26 unit double-story terrace house, 44 units a single-story terrace house, 11 unit shop house single-story, and for the last, we have 1 mosque. For daily water demand, we need 118.25 meter cube. For hydrant flow, our hydrant flow is 19 liter per minute. Total water demand is 20.37 liter per second, and our peak flow is 3.43 liter per second. For flow rate and velocity of water supply, our area of pipe is 0.012 meter square, and for the velocity, our velocity is 0.114 meter per second. Design water tank, our area is 19.75 meter square, and for volume is 118.25 meter cube. Design of elevated tank is volume of elevated tank 0.815 meter cube. If the surface tank dimension, width we need 1.80 meter, length is 0.7 meter, height we need 0.7 meter. The volume of tank V equal to 0.882 meter cube and capacity 882 liters. Hence, the proposed dimension can be accepted.
I'm going to explain for water system calculation. Total PE for Taman Bahagia is 415 PE and classified as Class 1. The required area for STP is 617 mm square from the interpolation table 4.3, land area requirement. We chose to design as a full pipe and we make the calculation. By using Excel, the reticulation was calculated for 3 manhole and 1 STP. And lastly, we designed the STP by using AutoCAD.
My name is Farah Shazwani binti Rosa Manja. My number metric is CF 2011. I will explain more about the rational method in stormwater management. There are 3 assumptions of rational method, which is first, the peak flow occur when entire catchment is contributing to flow. Second, the rainfall intensity is uniform over entire catchment area. And third, the rainfall intensity is uniform over a time duration equal to time of centration, which is TC. There are also 7 procedures for rational method. First, you need to select design ARI. Second, you need to discretize sub-catchment. Third, estimate time of concentration. Fourth, determine average rainfall intensity. 5, estimate runoff coefficient. 6, calculate average runoff coefficient. And lastly, calculate peak flow rate Q for the sub-catchment. This is our result for rational method. First, we need to select design ARI and we decide to choose ARI is 10 years. For type of area, the area that we choose is the residential and link and terrace house. For drainage area, the area is the 1.902 hectare. For runoff coefficient, the location that we choose have a grass cover, and the grass cover for runoff coefficient is 0.40. And for link and terrace house, the runoff coefficient is 0.80. And the total runoff coefficient that we get is C equal to 0.73. For time of concentration, we get 5.4 minutes. And for rainfall intensity, we choose the IDF constant near to the location that we choose, which is JPS Keluang. And based on the IDF constant, we get and we choose and we get the rainfall intensity is 287.08 millimeter per hour. And lastly, for runoff peak flow, we get 1.11 meter cube per second.
In conclusion, the design of a water and sewerage system is a complex and multidisciplinary process that requires a thorough understanding of the various technical, environmental, and regulatory factors. The design must ensure that the system is safe, efficient, and meets all relevant standards and regulations. The design must also take into consideration the specific needs and requirements of the community being served. The ultimate goal of a water and sewage system design is to provide clean and safe water supply and sanitation services to the community while minimizing the impact on the environment. With the right design and implementation, the water and sewage system can play a vital role in promoting public health and environmental sustainability.